right now. He's probably doing this.
Driving in a snowstorm and taking a video. Hi, it's Wednesday. Still, it's 11:20 at night. January 26th. And we are driving in a snowstorm. We tried to go to the gym. They were closed due to inclement weather. And so, here we are. It is 31 degrees. And it is coming down like a motherfucker. Oh, I don't know if you see what I see, video, but I can't see shit. Holy shit, bro. Can you see anything in front of the fucking, beyond the grill of the car? I hope there's not a stranded car in the middle of the fire. I can't, honest to God, I can't see beyond the grill of the car. Can you? Like, I can see the pole, but and if you look at the road, I can't make out. I don't even know if I'm on the fucking road. How about those apples? Wow. This is some shit. I think this might be worse than the last storm, dude. I don't remember the roads being this fucking bad, dude.
Oh my God.
I'm serious. Except this time, I'm not really wearing much fucking thicker pants than I was last time either. Come to think of it. Gym clothes, pajamas, it's all the same. Oh, this blows. Yeah, so, school might be closing tomorrow, I think. So, here we are. I think I'm on the road because I see the green light. Alright, I'm going to hang up and put two hands on the wheel.